Welcome back, it's Nick at Max HP. Today I'm here with Mary and her Audi RS3, and we filmed her other RS3 in another video. This is a new car and some different modifications. So let's check it out and take it for a spin. First of all, what is it like, because I know you daily drive this thing, what's it like daily driving an RS3?
It's pretty fun. I mean, I can just kind of zip around pretty quick and, you know, kind of turns heads a little bit.
So we live in Michigan, and for anybody that doesn't know that, and you can see all the salt on the ground. So does that not scare you about daily driving it?
It obviously is a concern.
Yeah.
However, this has a really nice ceramic coating on it, and I also work at a car shop. So I have the convenience of being able to hand wash this every single day. So I make sure that there is not salt on it for more than a few hours at a time.
Audi RS3s are pretty insane cars to begin with. So what makes this one even more extraordinary?
So this one is in the beginning stages of being built. It's a stage 1 unitronic tune, and it has a few bolt-ons: intercooler, cold air intake, turbo inlet, catch can, dog bone mounts, has a AWE switch path exhaust.
Okay.
So a few little fun parts on there. I recently just purchased a downpipe for it. So that's gonna get installed within the next month, and then I will flash it and we'll go stage 2 with it.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
Can you go into how much of a difference it makes?
Stock, this is 400 horsepower. This tune has about 500 horsepower, and that includes the intercooler, cold air intake, turbo inlet, catch can, and then the unitronic tune.
Okay. For the exhaust, I heard it off camera. What exhaust are we running back here?
So this is the AWE switch path exhaust.
Okay. Do you think you'll stick with this? Do you recommend this exhaust?
This one is nice. I like it with the setup right now. However, when I put the downpipe in, this might be a little too aggressive and loud for me.
Yeah.
So I feel like I might switch to something that isn't quite as aggressive when I
Okay.
do up it to the stage 2 with the downpipe.
Yeah, makes sense. Does this
Yeah.
pop and bang a lot?
It does. So with the downpipe on it, it would be a lot louder, which I don't care for.
Makes sense. Being the owner of an RS3 is pretty awesome. How did you become the owner of this car? And I guess why did you choose the RS3 as well?
I chose the RS3 because my husband previously had a 2018 RS3 that he built out to the extreme. That was a stage 3 with the IRAS built motor and 800 horsepower. So I was like, this is fun. I need to do something too. So I got myself a 2018 RS3 that was already built out to a stage 2. Had that for about 6 months, and this past December I took it down to Tennessee for Christmas vacation. Unfortunately, there was only street parking down there, and a drunk driver hit it and totaled it. So yeah, it was a hit and run. That was pretty devastating.
Yeah,
So
that's horrible.
yeah, of course I was like, well, I need another one. So
Of course.
I found exactly what I wanted with this one. It's a stage 1, and now I can build it out to the stage 2 and make it just what I want. So it's a very good combination of a daily driver for me, but also is what I need for driving on the track.
That's
So,
awesome.
Yeah, I'm
Sweet.
super excited.
Yeah, I'm glad you got another one. So as far as under the hood, can you point out what specific parts you have under there?
So the biggest, most noticeable one is the cold air intake.
Yeah.
This is by Integrated Engineering, a nice carbon fiber one. It's a very pretty one.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
Yeah,
It's
this
huge.
one is on the more expensive side of cold air intakes. You know, a little over $1,000. You can get them for a few $100s. So bolt-ons definitely vary in price range. When you're building out, there's lots of options there. This was a factory option, the carbon fiber engine cover.
Great option.
This is the 034 Motorsport catch can to make
Okay.
sure everything is streamlined, running smoothly, keep all those vapors out of the system, keep it nice and clean. I also have upgraded intercoolers in here, as well as spark plugs. This one has the dipstick. These don't come with dipsticks. You have to buy them as an add-on, which is
That seems ridiculous.
kind of silly, but yes, that's something you have to purchase. And then obviously the tune on here as well. And then a really nice option that the previous owner purchased was these wheels. These are the 034 Motorsport forged wheels that are very heavy duty, very solid, nice wheels. So I know daily driving, I'm okay and I don't have have to worry about every single little bump. And they're also gorgeous and they complement the car very well.
Yeah, they look great. If somebody wanted to buy one of these cars and set it up similarly to how this is set up, how much would they have to pay approximately?
Anywhere from $45,000 to $50,000, kind of depending on the different options and mileage, where it's from, that sort of thing.
Sweet. Shall we take it on a ride?
Let's go.
Let's go. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Have you used a draggy in this in time to 0 to 60?
I have. So we took it out a couple weeks ago, and 0 to 60 is 3.41.
Wow.
Yes.
That is quick. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, it can corner good.
It handles those corners pretty well.
Oh man. Wow. This has got to be a track monster.
Yes, I'm pretty excited.
Woo! Sheesh. It's not warm out.
No.
It's 38 degrees right now outside. Fahrenheit.
Yes. Definitely not ideal.
No. Seems like it has tons of traction though. Like there was no slip through any of that.
No.
Not that I noticed.
It grips quite well.
Yeah. Wow. And it pulls.
It pulls pretty good.
Wow. Keeps pulling too. Just takes a second and you're up to speed.
Pretty quick.
Yeah. Are these cars known for having a decent like 60 to 130?
That's the biggest difference between stage 1 and stage 2 is the top end.
Okay.
My last one, I could be doing 90 and no hesitation, I'm up to 130, 140 like in a heartbeat.
Oh yeah.
This one, I mean, yes, it's only a few seconds, but it's a few seconds and you know, it takes a little bit longer.
Well, you have it back soon.
Yeah.
We'll have to do a follow-up video and compare the differences.
Oh, for sure.
Wow, that exhaust crackle. Oh, man.
And very good brakes as well.
Woo. Gets the heart pumping.
Oh, yeah.
Holy crap. Woo. Wow. That doesn't take long at all. It's just gone. Woo. It is just a roller coaster. So fun. Do you always drive in manual mode?
Very rarely.
Okay.
So like when I'm playing and having fun, I do, but
Yeah.
I mean, it just shifts so smoothly on its own and, you know, downshifts right when it needs to. And, you know, as a daily, it's just, I have the option to do it whenever, so
Yeah.
I don't do it all the time. It definitely is fun to zip through traffic.
Yeah. Yep. I was just gonna say it makes it really easy to sneak into traffic.
Yes, it does.
It just sticks to the road like glue, doesn't it?
It does.
Sounds very good. I love the sound. That's got to be one of the best parts about the car. The
Yes,
sound.
I really do enjoy it.
Yeah. Thanks for doing that.
Yeah, absolutely.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely.